Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the A minor open scale. The A minor open scale. And don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, the A minor open scale, this is what it looks like and sounds like. So first off, we'll play the root note on the fifth string, which is an A. And then the next note we're going to play on the fifth string with the middle finger on the second fret is a B. And then the next note we're going to play is on the fifth string, third fret, using the ring finger, and that's a C. And then the next note is on the fourth string, open. It's just a D. And then the next note we're going to play is on the fourth string, second fret, using the middle finger, and that's an E. And then the next note we're going to play on the fourth string, third fret, with the ring finger, and that's an F. The next note we're going to play is on the third string. Just play it open. That's your G. Then we'll play on that third string with the middle finger on the second fret. We'll play that A. Then the next note is on the second string. Play it open. That's your B. And the next note is on the second string, first fret with the index finger. That's a C. Then the next note is on the second string, third fret with the ring finger, and that's a D. And then the next note is on the first string, just play an open E. Then the next note is on the first fret, first string with the index finger, that's an F. Then the next note is on the first string, third fret with the ring finger, that's a G. Then the next note is on the first string, fifth fret, using the ring finger, just sliding it up, that's an A. So altogether, it's like this. So you can walk up and walk down the scale. Again, that's your A minor open scale. Hope you enjoyed it and liked it. And don't forget to check out my other videos.